Let's begin by making our smoky paneer tikka marinade. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon smoked and cooled mustard oil, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this a quick mix. Now add the spices: 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon crushed kasuri methi, and half cup of thick curd. Whisk it all together till smooth and lump free. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon roasted besan. I forgot to shoot this part, but don't skip it. It helps bind everything beautifully. Mix well to form a creamy marinade. Now time to add the veggies. Half each of red and yellow bell pepper, dice into small rectangles. Half capsicum, dice. Now around 250 gram of paneer, cut into 8 equal pieces. Coat everything well in the marinade. For that signature tandoori flavor, here is my favorite trick. Place a small bowl in the center of the marinated mix. Add a piece of live charcoal. Pour a little ghee on it and cover immediately to trap the smoke. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Carefully remove the bowl. It's super hot. Now thread the marinated paneer and veggies onto a skewer. I'm using bamboo skewer, but metal ones work too. Now time to grill. I'm using an electric griller, but you can use a pan on a gas stove too. Grill them evenly from all sides until charred and smoky. Meanwhile, let's prepare a creamy masala gravy. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds, let them crackle, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now add 1 tomato chopped, 1 green chilli slit, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 5 cashews. Saute briefly. Then add half cup of water. Mix and cover. Let it cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes until the tomatoes and cashews are soft. Grind into a fine paste and sieve it back into the pan. Simmer for 2 to 5 minutes. That's your creamy tikka masala base. Now for the star, our Chur Chur Naan. Take a small dough ball and roll into a thin strip. You'll find my naan dough recipe linked in the description. Wrap the strip around the cool paneer tikka skewer. Make a quick masala with equal parts of Kashmiri chili powder, salt, turmeric, roasted cumin powder. Brush oil over the wrapped naan. Sprinkle the masala. And top with finely chopped coriander. Gently remove the skewer from the center. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 to 10 minutes until golden and crisp. Brush with ghee as soon as it's out of the oven. It brings out that perfect flaky texture. Pour the warm gravy onto your serving plate. Garnish with a swirl of cream and coriander. Place your baked Chur Chur Naan on top. And that's it. Baked Chur Chur Naan with Paneer Tikka Masala. Indulgent, smoky and so satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. Let me know in the comment what you'd paired this with, a mint chutney or a simple salad. I am Apurvi and here eggless baking is anything but boring. See you next time.